Find a spot, stay still as you can, and see what changes. This is a new spot for me, and as I settle in, I'm looking for three main things. The first, clouds forming over those mountains. Second would be those shadows growing as the sun sets. And third, any local visitors to that flax bush. I really love sharing these nature sits with you, and I hope they're something that you'd consider trying for yourself. If you want to see more of how to do that, click on one of these links, and of course, tell me about your experiences in the comments.